Want to cut down on cleanup time and keep your work area tidy when cleaning air conditioning evaporator coils. Start by preparing the system and workspace so every step minimizes mess. Turn power to the unit off at the breaker and allow the system to sit so condensate stops forming. Remove the access panel slowly over a drop cloth or tarp to catch debris, and keep all screws and small parts in a shallow container to avoid lost pieces. Use a coil cleaning spray designed for the coil type and apply evenly from the top down, letting gravity do the work. If you use a foaming cleaner, let it expand and rinse only once to avoid excess runoff. Position a wet vacuum or shop vacuum with a fine filter at the drain pan or condensate line to capture loosened sludge and prevent clogging. Wear waterproof shoes and gloves, and carry a compact cleaning caddy with brushes, coil fin comb, rags, and replacement filters so you do not need to walk away during the job. When rinsing, direct water into the drain pan and check that the drain hose is clear by flushing warm water through it until it runs freely. Common mistakes include skipping proper containment, which spreads grime and leads to longer cleanup, so always use tarps and towels and keep fasteners contained. Another problem is using too much water when rinsing, which can overflow the drain and wet surrounding areas, so rinse sparingly and drain directly into the pan or a wet vacuum. A third frequent issue is working without the right tools, which can damage fins or leave debris behind, so use a fin comb for bent fins, soft brushes for loose dust, and a no-rinse cleaner if access to a drain is limited. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a space where we share project experiences and practical tips for tasks like coil cleaning. We host a discussion community so our members can ask questions, compare approaches, and find tradespeople who are actively taking jobs in their area.